Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine. Last week we were studying about favorite things. Which things are our favorite? Okay. Here it was given that I have written down a list of all my favorite things. Rainbows and fairy cakes and butterfly wings, a journey on a train, a visit from a friend, candy floss and ice cream. Candy floss I told you, buddhi ke bali, correct or not? There is a stick and yellow, pink color sugary thread which is put around the stick, that is called candy floss. Okay, so here it is told that candy floss and ice creams, the list might never end, correct? And there are some questions. There are 3 questions given in the book. The first one is make a list of your favorite things. Okay, what is that? Question number 3. Make a list of your favorite things. When we make list of our favorite things, what all things do we write? The most favorite things which everyone loves or everyone likes are like chocolates, correct? Chocolates. More, what do you like? Cookies. More, what all things you like? Ice creams. Chips. Yes, you like all these things. Chocolates you like, cookies you like, ice creams you like, chips you like. Okay, next question which is given is 4th one. Who is your best friend? You have to write down name of your best friend. 4th one. Who is your best friend? So what you have to do over here is you have to write down name of your best friend. If my best friend is Rajeshri, now my friends, the closest friend which I have is Rajeshri. So I am writing, who is your best friend? My answer should be, my best friend is Rajeshri. So you can write down name of your best friend. Have you understood? Next one, which is your favorite ice cream? Now there are many different types of ice creams, correct? So I will give you some flavors of ice creams, okay? Which is your favorite ice creams? My favorite ice creams are, or you can say, which is, when question is asked which is your favorite ice cream, at that time what you have to write down? You have to write down flavor. Then which are those flavors? Butterscotch is there, vanilla flavor is there, then more which all are their flavors? For example, vanilla ice cream, okay, then butterscotch. Butterscotch. More, which all ice creams are, which flavor ice creams are there? Strawberry flavor, yes, strawberry flavor ice creams. So you can write down any one answer which you like, okay? Vanilla ice cream, butterscotch ice cream, strawberry ice cream, whichever you likes, that you have to write down, okay? Now this is what we have completed of lesson number 4, our favorite things. Today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is The Helpful Girl. Now there are many small kids who help their elder ones in each and every work, okay? So there is one girl in the lesson. We will just read the lesson and I will discuss with you how does this girl helps her family members in the house, okay? Once there lived a girl, Rima. What is her name? Rima. Once again, I'll just show you here. Once there lived a girl, Rima. She was very helpful. When she went to school, she helped everyone in the class. When she came back home, she helped her mother and father. When she went to the playground, she picked up small stones and thorns. When she went for a picnic, she took care of her friends. When she went to a shop, she selected things carefully. She made greeting cards for her friends and gave them on their birthdays. She was the best girl in our school. Okay. Now, what is told about Rima? Rima is a girl who helps everything. Who helps everyone. Everyone means what? When she is in the house, she helps her mother. When she is with her friends, that time also she helps her friends. When she is in the school, she helps teachers. Then when she goes in the shop, so decently she collects her things, whatever things she wants, she collects those things and so neatly she collect those things carefully and buy them, correct. She makes greeting cards for her friends and give them on their birthdays, and she was the best girl in our school. Now this is told about Rima by someone else. कुणीतरी दुसऱ्याने रीमाबद्दल माहिती दिलेली आहे. हेल्पफुल गर्ल. देर इज वन गर्ल इन आवर स्कूल. शी इज व्हेरी हेल्पफुल अँड हर नेम इज रीमा. Once there lived a girl, Rima. She was very helpful. She used to help everyone. When she went to school, she helped everyone in the class. If someone doesn't have, if someone wants pencil in the class, what she does? She gives pencil to the friend, or you can say to a boy or a girl in the class. If someone needs eraser, then she gives eraser to the needy person in the class, or a needy child, or needy friend, you can say her friend. She helps everyone in the classroom. If she has completed homework and if her friends do not know what homework we have to do, she helps her friends to complete their homework. In this way, Rima helps everyone in the house in the class in somewhat manner. Okay, sometimes she helps by helping in completing homework. Sometimes she helps by giving pencil. Sometimes she helps by giving eraser to someone. If someone needs water to drink, she gives water to drink. In this way, Rima helps everyone in the class. Next one, when she came back home, she helped her mother and father. If she is helping her mother and father at home, naturally what they will think? Naturally they will think that our girl is the best girl in the world, correct. Besides, if you do study every day, that is another part of your work, correct. You get up early in the morning, you fill your bottle, you fill your tiffin with your hands, you keep all books properly in the bag, you go and take bath, correct. After bathing, when you come out, you dress up properly, you comb your hair. That is what you don't be dependent on your mother. तुम्ही मम्मी वरती अवलंबून राहत नाही. Now there are so many students, they think that every time mama should come and give me bath, she should wear me clothes, she should comb my hair, correct. She should fill my tiffin, she should fill my bottle, then she should keep my all books according to the timetable in the bag. But Rima is not that girl. She never takes help of anyone. She does her work on time, and even she helps her mother and father at home. Okay. Next one is told that when she went to the playground, she picked up small stones and thorns. When she went for a picnic, she took care of her friends. Now here it is told that when she went to the playground, okay, we have playgrounds, you know, there is volleyball ground, basketball ground, football ground. Every school has their own grounds, correct. And when we go on ground, do we pick up small stones which are lying on the ground? No, never. If teachers will tell us, then only we pick up those stones. But Rima, what she does, when she goes on the playground, she picks up small stones, and if there are thorns on the ground, she picks them up and throw in the trash, or you can say there are so many lot of dustbins are put, correct. There are dustbins set on the ground. So what she does, she goes and throws stones in the dustbin, thorns in the dustbin. And when she went to the picnic, she took care of her friends. Now Rima is so big, or what? She's too big, or what? In the age, she's big in the age wise. She's big, or what? No, she's small, but she thinks that whenever I will help others, it is said that if you will help others, God will help you. Understood? If you will help others, God will help you. That is what there is a proverb which is told. So she likes to help others. Next here it is told that when she went to a shop, she selected things carefully. Whatever things are required, that only thing she takes from the shop. Unnecessary things she never picks up and brings at home. Okay, whatever things are required, only that things she selects and brings at home. She made greeting cards for her friends and gave them on their birthdays. She went to the best girl. She made greeting cards for her friends and gave them on their birthdays. She was the best girl in our school. What is said that whenever there will be birthdays of her friends, what she does? She makes greeting cards, and in that greeting card she writes birthday wishes, correct? And she prepares beautiful birthday cards and she gives those birthday cards to or greetings to her friends. And here it is told that in this way Rima is the best girl in the school. Rima is which type of girl in the school? She is the best girl in the school. In this way we have studied about Rima, how does she is called, or why she is called helpful girl. Why she is called helpful girl? Now name of lesson is only given here, helpful girl. Why she is called helpful? मदत करणारी मुलगी का म्हटलंय तिला? कारण की ती सगळ्यांची मदत करते. ती घरात असली की मम्मी पप्पाला मदत करते. ती प्लेग्राऊंडवरती असली तर ती if there are thorns and stones lying on the ground, she picks those stones and thorns from the ground. If she is in the classroom, she helps everyone in the classroom. In this way, everything about Rima, correct or not, she is the best girl. In this way, all the things what Rima has done or what Rima does is given in the lesson, and so she is called helpful girl. I think you have understood lesson. Question answers of this lesson we will complete in tomorrow's period. Okay, there is only one question. Write the actions that Rima did. We have to write down actions what Rima has done. Rima helped everyone in the classroom. She helped her mother and father in the house. Then when she picked up small stones and thorns from the ground, she took care of her friends in the picnic. She made greeting cards for her friends. These are all things which Rima has done. That answer, question of that answer I will give you in tomorrow's period. Okay. Thank you.